Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2011 Honda Pilot tail light. Start by opening the rear hatch and clearing the cargo, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Use a small plastic trim tool to pry off the access caps and keep all fasteners organized in a tray. Work calmly and feel for any hidden clips behind the trim to avoid breaking plastic pieces. With the access caps removed, use a 10 mm socket to remove the two nuts securing the tail light assembly while supporting the lens with your free hand. Gently wiggle the assembly outward, freeing any retaining clips without forcing them. If the assembly resists, check for an extra fastener or a hidden screw behind the trim. Once loose, pull the assembly straight out to reach the wiring harness and bulb sockets. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfortable during long repair sessions and hold up to greasy hands and busy weekends. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more step-by-step guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After pulling the tail light assembly away from the vehicle, twist each bulb socket counterclockwise to remove bulbs one at a time and inspect sockets for corrosion. Depress the wiring harness tab and disconnect the connector, then install new bulbs or the replacement assembly by reversing the steps. Reconnect the harness, test all lights including brake and turn signals, and only then reinstall the nuts and access caps to complete the repair with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.